up, all my good looking gamers? KK here, and today I've been playing with slime a lot, so we're gonna make slime and put it in this little mason jar. We already made red and blue. Then now we're making green, so it's just water, cornstarch, food dye. It's 10 or 15 squirts of food dye, and then you just keep adding if you don't like the color. This looks like it's gonna be light. I kind of want light though, so I think that might be good on the food dye. It's a little thick though, and it like sticks to your fingers, but it's still really fun. So I'm gonna stir it. Yeah, you just have to stir it for a while. Yeah, this is really cool and really fun. It's all natural. Like if there was some on your hands and you licked your hand, it would be fine. Like it all natural, so it wouldn't hurt you if you ate some. So yeah, it's literally just cornstarch, food dye, something little to put in. We use these. These are like the perfect size. You can get these at Walmart. You can get the food dye and cornstarch at Food Max too. Then you just we filled this up with water and pour it in. That's how much water. If you want it thicker, you put water in. Thicker, you put water in. If you want it lighter, you don't put as much water. But if you guys want to see where we found this out or other recipes, download the app Pinterest and just type in homemade slime. So yeah, we're sitting here doing this outside. So we're about to put it in the mason jar right now. So we take a bowl with these little things on it right here, so we can kind of use it to pour the slime. We use it as like a little funnel on the bowl. So we're gonna pour it in here. Make sure to get as much as you can. The other batch we made was so big we had to use 2 mason jars. So look, you just okay. So I'll see you guys. Want to see you guys.